everybody? Welcome back to my channel and another night of CJ Summer's 31 Nights of Terror. Today we are at SeaWorld at Howl-O-Scream, the first annual event, and we are checking Beneath the Ice. That's the first house we'll come into. It's raining like cats and dogs outside, so hopefully we can save the night. But before we get started, check out this. Whoa. Alright guys, let me go over here. Alright guys, let me tell you, that has to be the, I don't know, it's a toss between that and Captain's Revenge. Which one is the best house here? Because this one had a lot of good jump scares. A lot of scares. You guys saw I walked into a wall. Very cool house, so this is definitely a must-see. So I would say Beneath the Ice and Captain's Revenge are the two houses you definitely do not want to miss. So with that said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the experience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this with all your friends. And I will see you tomorrow with another night of the CJ Summers 31 Nights of Terror. Bye.